Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by creating a fresh chat backup to Google Drive or iCloud now. Open WhatsApp, tap Settings, then Chats, and choose Chat Backup. Confirm the account linked for backup and tap Backup immediately. Check that your phone number is active and you can receive a verification code from SMS. Confirm available storage space and battery above 20% before you continue. This prevents data loss and eases reinstalling the stable app. Open Google Play and search for WhatsApp to access its app page. Scroll to the beta program section and tap Leave to exit the beta channel. Wait for Play Store confirmation and allow up to 24 hours for rollout changes to propagate. After backup completion, uninstall the beta build from your device to prevent version conflicts. Reinstall WhatsApp from the Play Store stable listing and follow prompts to verify your number and restore your backup. On iPhone, open Test Flight and select WhatsApp to view testing options. Tap Stop Testing to remove your beta tester status for WhatsApp immediately. Delete the beta app from your home screen after stopping testing to avoid duplicate installs. Then open the App Store and download the stable WhatsApp listing from your purchase history or search results. Launch the stable app, verify your phone number via SMS, and restore your iCloud backup when prompted to recover chats and media.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.